ZANOGI 360 Photo Booth, the ultimate party game changer with 4K slow-mo magic. Ever been stuck at an event wishing for something more exciting than just another selfie? Frustrated with boring photo booths that feel outdated and uninspiring? When your tools don't deliver, motivation crashes, and creativity tanks. Endless setups, tech glitches, or awkward angles can drain your vibe and waste precious time, leaving guests yawning and hosts stressed. If you're tired of lame photo ops and want to bring your events to life with ease and flair, it's time to upgrade your gear to something that truly electrifies every moment. Now imagine crushing deadlines for event setups, juggling endless guest requests, and battling tech that just won't cooperate. Stress skyrockets, burnout creeps in, and missed memories haunt your business. No one wants a photo booth that freezes or leaves guests waiting. That pressure? It's brutal, especially when every event counts. You need a reliable, fast, and insanely fun solution to impress clients and keep the energy buzzing without sacrificing quality or your sanity. Ready to stop the chaos and make every party unforgettable? Meet the ZANOGI 360 Photo Booth Machine, your portable party hero delivering 360 degrees slow-motion magic and stunning 4K clarity. This all-in-one setup boasts a smooth, motorized rotating platform adjustable to your vibe, paired with a dual camera system capturing jaw-dropping front and back angles simultaneously. Control it all from a sleek 15-inch touchscreen, app, or remote for ultimate convenience. With a built-in adjustable ring light, 3000K to 6000K, and over 100 fun effects including AR filters, countdown timers, and slow-mo modes, it's designed to dazzle every crowd. The rechargeable battery pack means no power outlet worries, and the heavy-duty flight case keeps your gear safe on the go. Why are event pros obsessed with the ZANOGI 360 booth? Because it turns parties into viral sensations while streamlining workflows like a boss. Imagine guests spinning in slow motion, creating cinematic memories instantly shareable via QR code downloads. One wedding DJ booked 12 gigs thanks to the slow-mo water splash effect that stole the show. Event planners love the flight case's rugged build and quick 10-minute setup. Corporate clients rave about the customizable magnetic logos boosting brand visibility on every shot. With smooth motorized rotation that doesn't jerk or freeze, plus a battery lasting up to 4 hours, this booth keeps the energy alive from start to finish. Curious? Tap in and see why thousands trust ZANOGI to capture the fun flawlessly. Don't let your next event fade into the background. Grab the ZANOGI 360 Photo Booth today. Limited stock is moving fast as party pros and planners scoop up this must-have experience creator. Whether weddings, corporate gigs, or epic parties, this booth's smooth 4K slow-mo, app control, and custom branding will blow your guests' minds. Join thousands already winning big with viral moments and flawless setups. Act now. Secure yours and make every celebration unforgettable. Light up the dance floor and freeze memories that last forever